Hello viewers, this is Niraj. Welcome back to the channel. If you people are new over here, subscribe to the channel because I share everything about web development. In the series on learning HTML, we are in the fourth video. Yeah, I'm starting this series after a long time. So let me remind you that we have discussed how to install and set up VS Code for HTML programming. You can check out why we chose VS Code and not other code editors, which I briefly discussed in the first video. We have already discussed document structure, head tags, headings, paragraphs, and links. If you watched our previous videos, that is wonderful. Or I will put the full playlist URL in the description box below. Make sure to check out those videos. So, before discussing the content of this video, let's roll the intro. So, in this video, we will discuss mainly three tags that we often use on our websites. So, for great visualization, I have also created this a small presentation. So, the three tags are unordered ordered list, and the third one is creating tables. We will also practice an exercise after every tag. So, we will create this as you can see in the picture, and this is the great visualization I will discuss in the table tag. Okay, after completing this, we will see captions in HTML table and a practice question on table. We will going to create this awesome table. So without wasting our time, let's start. So as you can see, I have already opened VS Code. So I will create a folder name day4. And yeah, one important thing, I've already posted this all these codes in GitHub. You can simply access by going github.com and HTML. Yeah, 30 days. Yeah, as you can see, all these folders. These all these folder contain the all the code. Yeah, nothing much, but you can access from here. Alright, so let's move to code part. So I will create one file name index.html. All right. So if you are following this series, you know, on clicking shift plus one, you will see this exclamation mark and hit enter. You will see this boiler code. And let me write day 4. Yeah, so let me start the development server. Click here, go live. Yeah, I've already installed an extension named live server. If you have not installed, install this live server and you can simply see this option here. Click go live, and as you can see, it has started. I will copy this link and open it in browser in Chrome. So if it is working, let's check ordered list. Okay, so I guess this both spelling is wrong. So this is nice. Yeah, so as you can see, it reflected here. So this is working perfectly fine. So first of all, we are going to discuss about unordered and order list. So let me show you an image on unordered and ordered list. So let me navigate to this presentation, and as you can see, unordered and order list. So it can be, let me open the slide. Yeah, unordered list can be written using usual tag and closing tag. Yeah, these all are pair tag. So let me create this one example of unordered list. You can simply do by unordered list and name. As you can see, it reflected here. So on order list, these all have li tag. These all have the access of li tag. Li means list. So what we are going to make a list. Suppose I will write title or cafe and make a list. How many things are there in cafe? So we can find coffee or tea. So as you can see, I will move this title here. We'll create this title using p tag and move it up here. Okay, so as you can see in the cafe list, we can find coffee or tea and many more other list. So there is nothing much in on order list. So let's move to order list. Mainly you should need to focus on this point on order list and then what are the list. So let me create another list, that is order list, and in the order list let me create li. So first of all, let's create a title, that is school, and what are the things that we can find in schools. Yeah, so as you can see in the first hand we have this cafe using ul tag, that is unordered list. So it will create in point form and order list will create in numeric form. So there is nothing in unordered and order list. Just you need to remember this: unordered list have point form and order list have this numeric form. Okay, so let's move to another slide and yeah, a practice question on list. So let's create this list, unordered list. As you can see, ordering doesn't matter. Let me zoom in and delete this. Yeah, as you can see this HTML list. So let's create this. So first of all we have on order list and this ordering doesn't matter. So a project, so let me comment this out. Yeah, a practice question on lists. So first of all we will create this on order list. So let me open VS Code here only. Write this s2 in unordered list and here ordering doesn't matter, and in the eval tag we will write into 3. And yeah, this is a great VS Code shortcut or trick, whatever you say. If you write this in multiply 3 you will get 3 li's and write milk, sugar, and the last one is bread. Right, bread. So when I click save, you will see this exact structure. So let's move to ordered list. All right, ordered list. Order list where first ordered list where ordering does matter. And when I click OL and li into, yeah, so you know what we have to do, li into 4. So put the kettle on. Basically this is how we can make tea from a tea bag. Put the tea bag in the cup, and the third one is wait for kettle to boil, and the last one is pour boiling water in the cup. So when I click save, you will see this exact structure. So congrats, we have successfully made this structure as we discussed how we can create list on our website. So let's now move to another slide, that is creating HTML tables. Let's move to another slide and you can see this image. Let me open in slide. So yeah, it has loaded successfully. So let me come here and choose pin. So as you can see, table tags in HTML. So table is created using table tag. In the right bar here, you can see all the description table, the root element used to define an HTML table. So table is what we need to define a table in HTML document. The next one is caption. So let's move here and see what caption is. So the caption is specifies a table or description for the table. So it is nothing but the title of the table. And the third one is table head, T head. So T head is defined by th, that is table header. So T head or th is the head part of the table. For example, let me open an image in website. So table in HTML with caption. Let me open the image part. Okay, so in this table, let me open in new tab. So let me zoom in. So this student is caption of the table named students. These are the headings: first name, last name, age, and let me zoom in. So these are the th tag and table body. These are all the table body, and table body is the body of HTML, neglecting this heading tag. These are all the table body. As you can see, the closing tag here, and opening tag is tr, and inside tr we write table data, that is td. You can see in the right bar here, table body groups the body content in a table, and tr stand for table row, which to create a row within the table. And what td is, td stand for table data used to write data. So let me open the image again. These all are the table data: Priya Sharma 24, Arun Singh 32, Sam Watson 41. These all are the table data. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, these all are the table row that define table data, and this is the table body, and this is the closing tag of table. So you saw this in theoretical part. So let's move to the practical part. Caption in HTML. Yeah, so I've already discussed what caption is. Caption is the table title. For example, here you can see employee details. So let's do one practice question on table. So let's create this table. So let's now move to our practice question, that is employee table. Let me open my VS Code and I will comment this out. Okay, so practice or table start in H2, practice question on HTML table. So as you can see, so a practice question on HTML table. So as you can see in our previous slide, we have this table tag to create any table. So I will write this first, hot table tag. And then if you closely look at this, it has a caption, that is employee table. So I will write caption and employee table. So if I hit save, you will see the reflection. Okay, so it has basically 4 table head. So let me create table head first. Table head, T head. Inside T head we have one tr in table row. So inside this table head we have one tr, this all, and inside table row we have 4 table head. So let me create this first. Yeah, okay. So table head, and when you write this multiply 4, you will see this shortcut. So employee id, next emp name, next emp depth, next emp salary of the employee. You will see these all 4 heads. I will tell you how to create these lines like table in our table. So basically it has 4 row. Inside table body, I will write table body start. Okay, so inside table body we have 4 tr. So let me tell you how we can write first table row. Inside table row we have 4 data, so multiply by 4 and 1 1. So basically the first table data is the employee id, the second one is the employee name, the third one is the employee department, and the fourth one is the salary. So when I click save, you will see all these 4 fields. And let me replicate this. So 1 2 3, yeah, 3, and this one 4. So let's add this data. So the second one is 102, third one is 114, the fourth one is 105, and the name is Mavi, the department is testing, and the salary is 30,000. Yeah, it's the same development, 45,000. When I click save and see in this browser, you will see our table. So let me tell you how we can create border. We have to use one CSS property. Yeah, I know we have not learned about CSS yet, but this is not so hard. Inside border, I will write 1 pixel solid black, and you will see how this border appears. Okay, so there are many things inside table. If you want to explore more things in tables, write table in HTML and open this MDN web docs. If you want to learn more about table, you can use this reference. So let me tell you one more interesting thing. If you want to add an image of the employee, you can simply write expand one table head, that is image, and inside this data you can simply write ed, and inside this table data you can write image src. But now I don't have any images here, so let me copy this image. I will write cat.jpg and you will see this image appears. So this is how we can create images and we can create tables in HTML. Yeah, I know it is not looking so nice because we have not styled it yet. When we will study CSS part, we will style this. Okay, so let me push all this code. Yeah, day 4, completed. Sync changes. Actually, I use VS Code shortcut to commit. Okay, so as you can see, it has committed. Let me open my GitHub and show you. If I write 30 days YouTube HTML beginner to pro, yeah, as you can see, this day 4 folder and this index.html, and you will see all this code. So this is for now, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we will meet next time.